Hey everybody, meet our second generation surface mount fences, the F1 and the F2. They're made for any 20mm holes, and all you have to do is tighten the knob on the new fence blocks. So let's put this one into special holes we have in the new dashboard tops. Just pop that right in there and tighten this knob. And there you go. Super solid. Also adjustable left and right, no problem. So you can dial in where you want the end of the fence. The tongue fits under your guide rail. The F1 works the same way. Solid. Let's check crosscut capacity. Now the spiral dog is going to drop into one of these slots. So we'll go from the fence out to about here, which is probably as far as you want to go. So you can cut a piece 25.5 inches, which is about 645 millimeters. Okay, that was just the basic configuration. You can also mount the F2 and F1 on track stars to get a little more capacity. So just reposition the hardware, and you're going to put these in to the special holes on the front of the track stars. So we just pop those in as before. Drops right in there, no problem. And you're going to tighten the knobs like you did before. So now this fence is again securely held. Adjusts left and right, just like before. So you can dial in your preference there. It is going to be under your rail. This tongue will back up the work close to the cut line. And let's check that capacity. Okay, so once again, spiral dog drops in the slot. And so the maximum distance I can push that from the fence is right about there. Okay, so let's measure. Once again, check the dimension I could cut. The workpiece would be a maximum of about 28.5 inches, which is about 724 millimeters. Not too shabby.